filming in the car.
Hi! Hello.
Hello.
Well, today's adventure, we are driving to the Dinosaur Place Park.
Place Park.
At Nature's Village. Nope, I got it wrong. What is it? The Dinosaur Park?
I mean,
at Nature's Art.
The Dinosaur Place at Nature's Art Village.
Okay, we're going to a dinosaur park.
Sponsored by McDonald's.
It's not sponsored by anything. We're actually going to get some food right now. And we are enjoying the last moments before we have to wear the mask for the rest of the day. But that's part of the times.
COVID culture.
COVID culture. And
put your seatbelt back on.
dude, we are getting a drive-through, getting some food. So, yes, the Dinosaur Place at Nature's Art Village.
Ellie went there with Grammy and Grampy.
We're gonna have fun. The Dinosaur Place.
Oh, hello.
We have made.
Pre-pandemic when no one else got places when they opened.
Well, now it's like the thing to do. Get here right when it opens. The Dinosaur Place, sponsored by Coca-Cola. The T-Rex has sunglasses on.
That's probably how big a real T-Rex was.
Yeah, I think it's a life-size T-Rex.
Bobby, that's a life-size T-Rex.
Look at you standing next to it. It's a big giant nest on top of the roof. Looks like an egg hatched or something. Oh, it's a pterodactyl on the top there. See that?
These are really dinosaurs.
You guys excited to see some fake dinosaurs?
Well, that's a life-size T-Rex.
I know it's a life-size T-Rex. It's
And
crazy.
that's a life-size raptor.
Insanely life-size dinosaurs.
It's so huge close up.
It is. It looks really massive. Still waiting in line.
Hello, Wizard and Wonder.
Massive, man.
Actually, probably the size of Tom Brady, right? I like the size of Tom Brady.
Next family?
All right, so here we go.
Y'all paying together? Yep. All right. Have fun.
We will get our tickets. All right, we are starting the trail, and it starts at the T-Rex.
I think that's apparently a baby T-Rex.
Whoa.
Actually, no, that's a Tyrannosaurus.
It's a pretty cool one, actually. Yo.
Please stay a tail's length away so all our guests can have a safe day. I'd like to say keep people at arm's length, but just look at these arms.
Nope. Whoa! It's a dinosaur.
Oh my gosh! Brontosauruses were
Oh,
huge! I don't remember
that is massive. We will definitely stop by there at some point on this walk.
I think Brontosauruses?
It is a hidden dinosaur. Go stand next to it, David.
I forgot what that one's called. I know it's a baby.
It's a Vegisaurus.
It's a baby.
Go sit next to it. I want to see how big it is next to you.
I mean, it's going into plants.
No, you're like very hesitant. You gonna go stand next to it? Go for it.
I don't want to plants. Oh my gosh, I'm not even as tall as this thing.
Yeah, is it bigger than you expected?
Baby.
Yeah, it's
And
huge.
this one is barely even stretching out its neck all the way.
Yeah.
And this one's just a baby.
Yeah.
And it's
There's a,
Hey, you know what this word is?
obsidian.
Yeah.
oh,
Oh my gosh, it's not black in real life.
Igneous rock that forms from rapidly cooling lava under high pressure.
we are learning about volcanoes because there is a volcano structure over here. I don't think it does anything though. Very cool lake that you walk around here.
Whoa, that's a model of
Pretty neat. Ooh, it is a pterodactyl. And then there's a cave. Let's go inside and see what it's in there.
We venture into the cave.
Ooh. Oh. Dilophosaurus! No! No!
What? Looks like it's water! It's fine. No, I know. You just stay away from the water and you won't fit.
He's not even squirting anything right now.
It's like the one from He's angry! He looks really angry.
It is squirting water. It's squirting water.
Yeah, he's good. He's getting right in front of him.
Get a good angle right here. Do something.
He's angry!
So awesome.
There's a pteranodon family.
That was like the coolest thing ever. It was like an actual animatronic dinosaur with a squirt gun in its mouth.
Is that why it's really cold?
Yeah, so you wonder how I know how to say the name?
Why?
I'll show you.
Oh.
So you just look at this and it's like, what?
Oh.
And underneath it
Pretty
tells you how to pronounce
bad
it.
lizard right there.
So,
I can still hear it. Pretty angry.
His name means crocodile from the past.
It's pretty cool.
Daddy, this is a Postosuchus.
A Postosuchus?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Crocodile from the past. That's what... Hello. We just been a poisonous dinosaur that tried to kill us.
Yeah, with the water sticking out of his mouth.
It was really
Kind of crazy.
That's like the only animatronic, and it sounds like the real dinosaur.
Yeah, it sounded pretty cool. Sounded like the Jurassic Park movie. Spinosaurus?
No, Suchomimus.
A suka what now?
Suchomimus.
Suchomimus.
Ellie, look at
Guys, go stand underneath it.
Yeah, go stand under it, guys.
It's crazy. Wow. It actually gives a good perspective when the kids stand underneath it. It's pretty crazy, man.
I can't believe dinosaurs existed.
How long is its tail?
It's pretty massive.
Long. Not long at all.
Oh, wow. Wow, you should come stand on this thing, Kate.
It's pretty incredible.
A long tail.
Yeah.
Just keeps going back there. Look, I can walk directly underneath him. And my head doesn't even touch it. It's crazy.
I can't believe this is how
Crazy.
Hey, this is huge. I can't believe
Just like staring right up at him.
my daddy.
He actually has long arms too. Is this a made up hybrid dinosaur or is this like a real dinosaur?
No, this is a real dinosaur. It was discovered in Africa.
Wow,
1987.
it's crazy.
It has a really long jaw.
Yeah, it does. And it makes the T-Rex look like small.
Discovered in Africa in 1997. His name means crocodile mimic.
Wow. So I better look at him right here. His tail goes all the way over there. Wow. There we go. Pretty crazy.
Daddy, I gotta tell you something.
What?
This
This
is a
dinosaur
Utahraptor.
name sounds familiar. I feel like I've heard it somewhere.
It's almost like a velociraptor.
Yeah.
It's a Utah.
A Utah.
But it was discovered in Utah.
Mommy, raptors are big.
Yeah.
They're as tall as you, Mommy.
Oh yeah, I think they're taller than me, bud.
No, they're as tall as Daddy. Mommy, look how long those nails are.
It's a,
Look how long the nails are.
Pretty crazy.
it's kind of crazy.
This is a Thyroxenosaurus.
Is this herbivore?
Whoa.
Vegisaurus?
Oh.
He looks like a skis.
Thyroxenosaurus. He's a flying fish.
He's got like sloth nails.
I know.
Wow.
I can't believe these dinosaurs actually.
No rock throwing.
Bird means like, you know the stick you have at camp, the Grim Reaper thing? That's what that is. This is saying that his claws look like that.
Guess what?
It eats leaves?
I can't believe.
Like this won't eat me?
Actually, bones like this.
Will this eat me?
It could have been an omnivore or an herbivore.
So they didn't know.
Could have been like a brontosaurus.
Looks pretty sketchy to
No
me.
skull remains have ever been found to indicate their diet.
Wow.
Oh, so they've never found.
Some kind of velociraptor in disguise there. I do see them. Let's go see the next one.
I think it's.
Augustina. It is a massive one.
I guess they only found these parts of the bones, Mommy. Like, read it. See if they only found a couple of the bones.
Discovered in Argentina in 1997. Yeah, gotta get the
Gotta stand all the way back here to get their whole thing in.
Ellie, look.
It's crazy.
Churros.
He ate too many churros. That is an impressive sculpture. And dinosaur.
No, he ate too many churros.
David, look at the Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Whoa,
Mommy, it's a Triceratops.
it's pretty beautiful looking.
Discovered in Colorado in 1887.
Are they nice animals?
Its name means three-horned face.
Because it does have three horns on its face.
Yeah.
Right, Mommy?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Oh my gosh, it looks very sweaty. It looks like sweaty.
I'm pretty sure this is as tall as you.
It's pretty crazy.
Fat. It's fat.
I feel like it's it only eats plants, so it's a...
Good guy.
It has a club tail just for security.
Yep, vegetarian.
Wow. Apparently back in the day there was just a ginormous bullfrog. The size of like a 6-foot human. It's insane. I think they just added that for special effects. Guys, there are Triceratops, a herd of Triceratops. Triceratopi. Whatever the plural is for Triceratops.
I think it's Triceratops.
There's 3 of them. Coming up straight ahead is a prehistoric bathroom. It's called
A porta potty.
a porta potty.
Look, Daddy, I think they're constructing. It looks like they're constructing a new dinosaur too.
It could be. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it from over here. You see him over there?
Yeah. And there's one over there too.
Oh, one over here.
Hey, with this pronunciation.
Parasaurolophus.
Oh, look, it has
Olaf.
eggs.
It's a Parasaurolophus Olaf.
Cacao. Mommy, it has eggs the size of cacao. Daddy, look, it has the eggs.
Parasaurolophus.
Daddy, this
It's-
It has enlarged robin eggs.
I love, Mommy, I gotta tell you something. Come here. I have a toy.
Whoa.
And I have a toy when I eat. And guess what?
This is a Ceratosaurus.
Ceratosaurus. Judging by its teeth,
Together.
it probably ate meat.
I think it's a herbivore.
Think so? It's a herbivore? Whoa. Carnivore.
It's a carnivore.
Oh
Carnificent.
no, it'll eat us.
Herbivore is a vegetarian.
You're standing on its big toe.
I know, that's why it's angry.
Piscivore, a fish eater.
It eats fish.
Yeah.
It ate.
There.
It eats fish fillets for lunch.
Fish fillet.
Look at this
Mommy, I'm
thing.
stepping on its foot. That's why it's angry.
It's so pretty.
Ellie, come here.
Look at it, just mean bugging me right now with this picture.
I don't have any teeth, so Mommy, based on the lack of teeth, I'm gonna guess it's a herbivore.
Yeah. But it also has spikes around his body to protect him.
It's kind of cool.
This is stay on trail, no climbing dinosaurs.
One of the things that's severely underrated right now is there is a lot of shade on this trail. So even on a hot day, it's not too bad.
It's hidden.
Dinosaur.
That's
What comes up with these Ron? This guy named Don made this name up.
discovered in Texas in the mid-1870s, named in 1878.
Mommy, I came up with a nickname, Rawdon.
Yo, look at this guy.
That's his rapping name, Rawdon.
I can't believe he was that small, Mommy.
I don't think that's a small one. That's like a big iguana. Pretty big and massive.
No.
Here's another one. Stigomoloch. Stigomoloch.
Have you seen this, Ellie?
It's a stigmalock.
Watch as it is in its natural
His
environment.
name means demon from the river Styx.
Yeah, that looks
Oh,
great.
Mommy, look.
Demon
Montana.
from the river Styx.
Pretty pretty sinister looking. Just kind of
Dad,
sitting
did
there.
you hear what his name means?
Yeah.
Demon from the river.
Also means hard to find.
The name?
Oviraptor.
Oviraptor.
Look, there's a baby in there.
5 to 8 foot long.
Oh yeah, there's little baby.
Mommy.
I think that's the size of it, right? Or no?
I know.
No, do you see that little brown one?
Oh yeah.
Hey, these are
And one hatching out of the egg?
These were small dinosaurs.
Look at they
Hatching
are.
out of the egg.
Daddy, these were
Oh,
small
its
dinosaurs.
name means egg thief, so it's probably stealing the
It's stealing the baby.
baby. Bad dino.
Bad. No. This one's like, I didn't do it. I'm not doing it.
That's why they're so tiny.
Not me. Protoceratops.
Protoceratops.
And it is headbutting that tree over there.
I know.
I hate you, tree. What is the original name known for?
Minecraft Pro.
First torn face.
Wow. It's pretty cool. So the funny thing is, these guys don't look as big as they were in Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
Like, they look kind of tiny, don't they?
Velociraptors in Jurassic Park are a lot
There's
bigger.
one there, and there's one
Although Jurassic Park is
back
a
there.
movie.
They are pack hunters,
This is
and they are attacking
Daddy,
that
Jurassic Park
horn
is
guy
a
over there.
movie. These are from. I've seen
Oh, boy.
pictures in history books.
Oh boy.
The library and Velociraptor.
Wait, what does it say? It's only 1.5 to 2 feet tall?
Yeah.
So that's
Covered
not
in feathers instead of reptiles as typically depicted.
Yep.
6 to 7
Considered
feet
an
long.
active predator, no evidence of pack hunting.
Jurassic Park just made it up.
Jurassic Park lied to me.
It's a velociraptor. Means bird of prey.
I know.
It
It
means
actually-
speedy thief.
Means 6 foot turkey.
It's 6 to 7 feet
6 foot long turkey. 1.5 meters tall, right?
Although
Or
it
feet.
did use its claw to pin its prey down and start eating while it was alive. So
Interesting.
there's that.
There's
They got
we'll
one thing
give
right.
Jurassic Park that.
What am I? I am not sticking my hand in there to find out. Nope.
I don't think I would have even liked that activity pre-COVID.
Nope. Definitely not a friendly idea.
Yeah.
But what is it though? No. It says I am.
It's a hint.
So yeah, whatever. I'm not sticking my hand to find out. We will never know what's inside the box. I cannot determine if that is a dinosaur or a tree.
I think it's a tree, babe.
That's not a dinosaur. Looks like a tree though from a distance. It kind of looks like a big
Because it is a tree.
Orlophosaurus. Plus.
So look out closely. He's camouflaging.
Compsognathus. It is the smallest dinosaur. This guy is a
my
little
gosh!
minute. It's a midget dinosaur.
Compsognathus.
Gotta zoom in just to pick him out from the leaves. Look at him. He looks like,
They're really tiny.
David, that looks like one of your action figures at
3 to
home.
5 feet long, 2 to 8 pounds.
Mommy, that's like
means elegant jaw.
Dinosaurs are.
Yeah,
Mommy, that's what her...
that is crazy.
The size is consistently compared to those of turkeys and chickens.
Yeah.
The most likely reach speeds up to 40 miles per hour.
Wow, they're pretty tiny. Tiny and fast.
What am I?
What am I? Don't know, don't care. Don't know, don't care.
No, I'm sorry what it is. It's a dinosaur brain.
Little waterfall with a baby triceratops on top. A little bit of an incline here.
There's a bird over here.
Very shaded right now. Whoa, that is a giant. Looks like Kevin from the movie Up.
Yeah.
What's it called?
It's a terror bird.
Does it
Only
fly?
2 bones were found.
So only 2 bones are found?
Named
The
after a
skull?
mythical demon.
Mommy, only 2 bones were found?
They're like, they found the beak and the foot, and they're like, yeah, and it looks like that.
It looks like that.
They're like, yeah, we got an idea what it looks like. It's pretty cool looking though.
Yeah.
We got
No. Oh, yeah.
Guanlong Wu Kai.
One long
Discovered in
Wukai.
China in 2002. Its name means 5-colored crowned dragon.
It's pretty cool out there.
I never knew
It's the earliest known ancestor of the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Oh, this doesn't look like a Tyrannosaurus Rex though.
When was it discovered?
2002.
Wow.
Like a
Right, Molly?
kind of sitting up there. Looks like Littlefoot from The Land Before Time.
You're the size of a baby.
Yeah.
A baby.
Yep.
And someone really tall.
Some kind of cornless corn maze.
Hey guys, come here.
It's kind of cool. No, this is not social distancing. Whoop, watch out. Like Pac-Man.
You go that way.
No. No, there we go. No.
Ellie, no.
10 minutes later, we're still trying to get the kids through the maze. Go that way.
Oh.
You guys can like climb up the slide.
You can
Ooh, it is hot in the sun.
Me and David kept going through the entrance.
You guys just keep going down the T-Rex slide right there.
Last time we did this, I'm pretty sure me and David just kept going down the entrance.
That is my kind of maze. I can just stand up top and tell the kids where to go.
Yeah.
I didn't have to participate.
And sanitizer.
Pretty easy.
Yeah, let's sanitize.
Sanitize, disinfect. That is the Maze Fortress thing.
You can go play on the playground.
There be dinosaurs up on that snack shack. It is like 20 degrees cooler in the shade right now. So that's why I'm standing like right here. It is so hot in the sun. You have a little monkey climbing to the top there.
Oh yeah.
It's like a rope, right? Is that what it is?
Is it freaking you out?
Yes. Little Spider-Man. The kids are on some kind of American Ninja Warrior obstacle course. It's pretty big. Wow.
Do you want to see us camera?
Yeah, I think you gotta get in line and then they're letting people in.
Alright, let's go.
I'll take them over there.
Okay.
We'll go through the other ones after.
Pretty big and tall.
We just discovered these slide things.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
We found a hammock.
You found a hammock. I'm currently balancing the GoPro Max on a little 2x4. It's pretty cool. The Bronchiosaurus over there and whatever that thing was.
Found a fellow Harry Potter fan.
You did?
She had a mask that said Muggles stay 6 feet away.
That's cute. Just keep going up and down, up and down. You know, they never had stuff like that when we were kids. That is a really cool contraption. Hey, bud. Nice.
Mommy, I have to like bend down.
Going to get some food. A little break time. Gonna have some pink lemonade. Woo! It's exhausting walking around. Not used to it. You guys used to walking around?
Not really.
Not really.
I'm completely exhausted.
Yeah, me too. Guys, look. Look, look, look. It's a little dinosaur.
He looks terrified that we saw him.
He's like, oh my god. Maybe if I stand absolutely still.
No, he's like standing at the door.
Dilophosaurus.
What does Dilophosaurus mean?
Sprayer of water.
Isn't that the one that was in the cave?
Yep.
No, different. The one in the cave has the big,
Flat
big-
thing?
Yeah, big flat thing.
No, they don't. They don't pop up when near someone. They only pop up if they're gonna spray poison.
Discovered in Egypt in 1912.
Not as big as in Jurassic Park.
Crocodile.
They made it seem bigger in Jurassic Park. I mean, Jurassic Park 3 was a pretty awful movie, though.
That lives in the water. The dinosaur that lives in the water. Don't eat me.
David, don't put rocks at it.
Nice alligator.
I mean, it looks just like a regular alligator. So alligators are like practically looking at dinosaurs.
Really cool if the Dilophosaurus actually sprayed venom, but they don't know if it actually did, right, Mommy? They just made it look. They just thought it would look cool in the movie.
There was in New Mexico in 1881.
What is this? Coeloptis?
Coeloptis.
Definitely rumbling.
Mm-hmm. It's doing something. Sounds like my stomach last night before dinner.
It's like my stomach.
Mommy, I gotta tell you something. Did dinosaurs die from the meteor? Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Wait, Mommy, do scientists?
Hey, Bud,
Okay.
look.
Look at it. It's steaming. This is so cool. So glad we got like the perfect angle right here to see it.
Mommy, why does it say danger, no swimming?
Not good water for swimming in.
It's probably dirty, infected with germs. There's probably also water snakes.
Whoa! Well, that was cool.
In 1818.
Discovered in Connecticut?
Yeah.
Oh, Dinosaurus.
Oh, one. Ellie, this is.
Sorry, can't walk in there.
Yeah, you can.
Please, don't want to get poison ivy.
There's no poison ivy there.
This is the guy who called the bush poison ivy.
No. We walked all the way around the lake to see the dinosaur in the cave again. And that's the volcano that just erupted. Oh, I wonder what's in here. You've already seen this.
Can't see him very well if you don't go in.
There he is.
Wait, no, I see him.
Oh, it's the Jurassic Park version of Dilophosaurus! It's not doing anything. Don't want to spray me. Don't spray me, Mr. Dinosaur. You can see the trail of water just all over the place. Oh, here we go. He's pitching a fit. Oh, it's squirting. Squirting out.
So is this the real name,
I hope he doesn't get an itch.
What?
Yeah, you take off his head.
I know, he could kill himself. He could kill himself.
That's pretty crazy.
Daddy, if he gets an itch.
I don't know if that's
Free food.
No, there's not a lot of information about dinosaurs.
They probably either didn't find the head or only found a little bit of it. You couldn't have just kept brontosauruses, Bonnie. You couldn't have just saved brontosauruses. They were the most... Wait, are you here where we are? Exit.
Yeah, but we're here. Let's keep walking and see.
Can we the warning sign?
Oh, some kind of cave ahead. Whoa. Yes! Morning live dinosaur.
I'm covering my ears.
Yes!
It's fine. It's not scary, but
Waiting for the children to finish up their playground playing.
We're having fun.
They're having a blast. I'm enjoying this park bench in the shade. We've been here a long time,
Yeah?
like all day.
Kind of it.
Yeah, I've lost track of time.
Yeah, we've been here like 5 hours.
Yeah, good times.
We're having fun.
Zipping up there. I can soar.
Work your way down, dude.
Yeah, David likes the zip line.
Yep. How's it going? Having fun?
Yes.
All right. You guys have fun?
Yes.
Yeah?
Dinosaur Place.
Well, we had a blast. We spent the entire day here. Got to walk around, see some life-size dinosaurs.
I know. I can't believe I saw some dinosaurs that I didn't even know existed.
Yeah. We learned some things. Had a lot of fun.
Oh, did you know that the Dilophosaurus
We learned that the Dilophosaurus from Jurassic Park was made up. It doesn't spit venomous.
Well, Daddy, we don't
Poison.
know if it did.
We don't know if it did. I don't know. Look it up on Google. You'll be surprised on what you find.
But it said there's no actual evidence. So if this place says it, Google probably won't say it either. They'll probably just refer to Jurassic Park. Oh, can we get ice cream?
I think so.
I'm cold.
All right.
I mean,
It's been fun.
well, and we will see you tomorrow.
Well, see you later on. Whenever we
out.
go out somewhere else.
Peace.
Yep. Saying goodbye to the T-Rex. Yeah, it says please stay a tail's length away so all our guests can have a safe stay.
Safe day. But then it says, I'd like to say,
I can read.
keep people at arm length, but just look at these arms.
I know, it's cute. I like to stay. Keep people at arm length.
That's
And just look at these arms.
the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
The largest carnivores to have ever existed.
Pretty cool.
It's not really tall.
Who's gonna crouch down?
No, Ellie. Ellie. Yeah, Well, he's crouching down like this.
All right. That was a successful day
We will see you tomorrow. Peace.
at the Dinosaur Place. And if you're still watching, like and subscribe. Doing so helps support our channel.
His channel has relaxing stuff, funny stuff. Subscribing would help us and help you.
I don't know how it would help you, but just do it.
It relaxes you. I think, right?